How to fix Messenger loading media. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your loading media problem in Messenger. First thing first, make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and then simply search for Messenger. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now, if in case it shows open, leave this as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Tap onto your apps section. Then again, search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Scroll below and under usage, tap on storage. Here simply clear the cache. Come back onto app info page, then tap on permissions. Now make sure that you have allowed permissions for your media. For that, tap on photos and videos. Tap on always allow all. Now, if your media is still not loading, then make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data. Once you do all this, restart your device, get logged into your account, and this shall work. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.